Hi everyone, so today I am going to plant my David Austin roses. I put in a prior video the unboxing of it, and I'm just doing it into two different videos because I did not want the video to be that long, and I don't want this video to be too long. I just want to go over some key points, and I walked out. I need to be weeding instead of planting, but I'm just going to do it simultaneously. I'm going to do it all at the same time. I'm going to weed, dig, and plant, but and I made sure that I brought out the names, and I just want to go, like I said, over some key points. We have 3 roses, and these are shrub roses. The first one is the Desdemona, and these are like white blooms with tinge pink at the earliest stage. And we're also planting one in the middle, Queen of Sweden. And like I said, I did a lot of research and looked at all the different roses and the different smells, and I decided on those because right now, as you can see, just ignore the weeds. I'm going to weed it and put some mulch and compost down, but everything over here is pink and white so far. I'm not sure if I want to incorporate another color. If so, it'll probably be maybe purple. But we'll go ahead and get it planted. And what I want to go over is some things that I will be putting in my holes. So I'm going to go ahead and get my shovel and my measuring stick, because I'll make sure I link that video. You definitely want to plant them, give them enough space to root and grow. And then I'll also show you what I will be using to plant with. So I hope the sun is not too bad over here where you can't see. It's a glare. But anyway, I went ahead and spaced out the roses. They're about 3 feet apart, and like on the plant tags, it says that they get about the Queen of Sweden, which is the one in the middle, gets about 4 feet high, 2.5 feet wide. And then the Desdemona, I don't know why I want to keep saying Monia, but Desdemona gets about 4 feet high, 3 feet wide. So I may actually come in just these two on the end. I may actually come in just a little bit, but I don't want them too close to where they are competing, but I do want them to be like full looking, just like a shrub. So let me show you what I will be putting in the plant hole once I dig it. And what I do like about all the information and the literature that they send with you when you're getting ready to plant, it basically shows you how to plant the roses, how to dig the hole, the feeding, and they also have a video if you would like to watch that. But what I did go ahead and get when I ordered was some mycorrhizae fungi. And this pouch is 3 ounces, and it feeds 3 roses. So we'll put like 1 ounce in each hole because I have 3 roses. But the mycorrhizae fungi is very, very good for root stimulation, root growth. It gets those roots to growing. And I'm also going to add some David Austin plant food in the hole today, just a little bit. And it still tells you how to use it for like new roses and then for established roses, because after they're established, it has like a planting schedule or a feeding schedule for your roses based on your location. And basically, once they're established, you're still going to come back and feed those roses and just sprinkle some of the plant food around the base of the plant. So I think that this bag right here, it'll last for a while. This is almost 4 pounds, so it should last for a while. So I'm holding the camera myself, so let me go ahead and put it down and get my holes dug and get the plant food and the mycorrhizae fungi in, and then I'll come back and I'll show you how I planted them, because you know, it tells you to put the stems about 2 inches below the soil, and that's for the wind. But I don't I guess I'll do that. We have a problem here too with I don't know, with the humidity, so I don't want it to get moldy or anything like that. So let me go ahead and get the holes dug, and maybe that'll help lift some of these weeds up too. All right, so I have my 3 holes dug, and I had to pull, it was a lot of roots in here, so I need to get in here and clip some things back. I don't know if it's from the tree that we had cut down, but I pulled out some roots and some, I don't know, bricks and rocks. But anyway, what I wanted to show you really quick was the David Austin plant food that I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit in the hole. And they're kind of like pellets, so we'll sprinkle a little bit of that. And then this 3-ounce pack of the mycorrhiza fungi, like I said, is good enough for it's good for 3 roses, so we'll just split them evenly in 3 and put those in the hole. And they also suggest to add a little bit of compost, so I'm going to put the compost in there and mix everything up, and we'll go ahead and get everything planted and put back. And one thing that I do is with most of my perennials to kind of cut down on weeding. Let me get this way because I need to come back on top of this. I don't know if I want to use mulch or compost because our local city has like a mulching program. As long as it's available, you can just go pick up the mulch and get it. But I line most of my perennials with like cardboard boxes to kind of help with weed control. It seems to work a little bit. So what I'm going to do is once I have the roses planted, I'm also going to line them with the cardboard, because as you see, when we first got out here, there are weeds everywhere, and weeding really should be like a weekly task. And I'm on top of it as far as my vegetable garden, but I need to get a little bit better with the annuals and perennials. So let me go ahead and get these get everything mixed in the soil and plant it up, and then we'll come back and I'll show you what we got and we'll water it in. I hope you all can see, but we have everything planted, and I just wanted to show this to you before I actually water everything in and before I actually put the cardboard on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to water all the roses in real good to get the root system going, get it nice and saturated. And then what I'm going to do is, like I said, take the boxes that they came in and just kind of line around here to help on weeds. I can say when I did dig those 3 holes, that helped with a lot of weeds, but I just have to do a little bit more, and then that will be it. So as always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you like this video and share it with your family and your friends. And if you're not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber, so make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye. Okay, so hopefully we'll have some nice buds. We already have one right here, and nice roses, nice smelling roses coming soon in white, pink, and white. Bye bye.